The keyless chuck adjusts open and close to securely hold a drill bit, allowing you to use a variety of different sizes. There are 3 jaws on the chuck that clamp against the drill bit. After years of hard use, these jaws will wear, and your drill bit might begin to slip in the chuck. Sometimes a jaw inside the chuck can be broken off. Replacing the keyless chuck is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the retainer screw from the old chuck. The retainer screw is located at the very bottom of the chuck. In this case, I'll use an Allen wrench to remove it. The retainer screw is a reverse thread. With the retaining screw removed, now I can remove the chuck. To do that, I'll place a large Allen wrench inside the chuck and clamp it in place. Then I'll use a mallet to strike the Allen wrench. The sudden impact of hitting the Allen wrench will break the chuck free, and then I can unscrew it. Now I can install the new chuck. I'll thread it onto the spindle and use the Allen wrench again to tighten it. Then I'll install the new retaining screw that came with the kit. And I'll tighten the screw with the Allen wrench. Remember, it is reverse thread. And that's all it takes to install a new switch on your drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.